Why in the hell would you wait for the outside world to show you what you truly know is to be true within? That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Listen, if you want your outside world to change, this must change first. Not this, but inside, your subconscious. You must go within. Grab the free meditation. Use the free meditation that I provide for you. This is the starting point. This will get you into theta brainwave state. This will get you into that neutral, centered, non-judgmental awareness where we create. Have you ever wondered why there's so many people out there that it seems like their life is effortless? It seems like they don't try at all. And they have everything. All the stuff that you want. You know what? Let me tell you something. It's not about working hard. You do not have to work hard. But that doesn't mean you don't have to work. A lot of people get this wrong. You must take action. You must work. You must do the things. But you don't have to work hard. You don't have to go do freaking crazy labor to make things happen. If you want to, go for it. If those are your only options at the moment, do it. But in the meantime, you must be inching your way little by little to your life, your desired reality. In this reality, you do not work hard. You manifest. You become. Truly become. And the outside world has no choice but to change. It is the law.